Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about how we can use our soldering iron to remove some pattern on our tulle net lace fabric. So I'll be showing us on how to do that in just a simple way. So we just have to plug the soldering iron and wait for a while for it to get hot. I hope you all can see how the soldering iron looks like. It's a portable one. It depends on what exactly you want to rip out of the fabric. Depends on the pattern you want. So you have to think about what you want to do from the beginning before you start tracing it out. If you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do right away. And subscribe, share, and also make comment about what we are going to do today, and also share to your loved ones. So the soldering iron is hot already, but the wire is not so long, so I'll have to remove the soldering iron to trace out some patterns. You should be careful because it's always very hot. That's why it wasn't plugged. You can see how hot it is. So you just have to look for a very flat place that you can place your fabric. So this is it. After removing the pattern, you can as well use your soldering iron to knit it, or you use your scissors to knit it. So we'll go on by tracing out another one. When we're waiting for the soldering iron to get hot, we can as well use our scissors to knit this one. So all this kind of pattern can be placed on another fabric. Probably maybe you want to make a dress and you want to use another tulle net for the dress, you know. Using a soldering iron is more faster and neater than me just trying to trace out with scissors with my hand. Some people do that, but soldering iron is neater and it's faster, and you can see how it comes out. So you have to be careful so that it won't touch the pattern. Right now is really hot. Really hot. And so now I was able to get my position. definitely this mouth is getting rusty and dirty, and you can use a foam that has water to clean it, which I'll do just that right away, so that the one at the tip will not stain. And the more the dirt, the more that thick smoke be coming out, it will come out, and might not really like that smoke. So sometimes when I'm working like this and I know I'm doing a lot of this, I can decide to put on my nose mask. So these are some that I've gotten. It looks very, neat. That you can actually see something beautiful to do with these ones. In a way, it doesn't really take time like that. And probably for you to be extremely careful. So in a way, I can now go through the middle part. Patterns. These are some patterns we're able to trace out. So what I just need to do is for me to clean this rusty area right away. Just for you to get a wet. You can see what I'm doing. You can see how rusty it was. You need to get a wet foam and clean the mouth. You can as well keep that on your table, like while you're working. So I have to wet this place in my wardrobe. You can get a container to put it. Sorry, I just messed the whole thing up, and so you can see how clean the mouth is now. So you can keep something like this, beside you, soak it, but just drain out the water a bit so that you won't mess the whole place up. And you keep it beside you. You plug the soldering iron. Make sure it's very hot.